Hey, it's Gina from WTI. Summer is upon us, which means bare legs and feet. I've been using the salt scrub from Bare Botanics to exfoliate off the disgustingly dry skin that I've collected from winter and to do a pre-exfoliation treatment before I wax. This works so well. The first thing I love about it is that not only is it exfoliating, but it's moisturizing. So you might be thinking, salt, isn't that going to dry out my skin? But let me tell you, it does not. And it has some really nice moisturizing oils in it that are all natural, and there's zero scent to it. And that's a big plus for me. I love the feel of this salt scrub. It's gritty, but not in a way that feels like sandpaper. And it just feels so good to be scrubbing my skin with it. Little tip for you, don't be dumb like me and use it right after you've shaved. I definitely learned the hard way on that, although I should have paid attention to the label, which says not to use on open cuts. So just be mindful of that. Use it before you shave. I just love this salt scrub from Bare Botanics. There's very little ingredients, they're all natural, and it works perfectly. And that's my point of view.